Hi everyone, Darko here, lead coach, long-term trading service. Let's see here. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. We took this trade on pound Swissy, and let's see what I had to say about this trade in my PMA that I provided to my paying clients in advance, and I will talk you through it. Pound Swissy, my bias is 100% short. Okay, 100% short. This is a spinning top. It's just like, okay, where do the significant neckline is in here. Just give me 1 sec. I need to sneeze. Oh jeez. My voice. My bias is 100% short, and just like let's just go down to the 4-hour chart and see if anything is setting up. Well, I don't see any shorting signals. Like, this pair has been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, a breakout, a clear juicy breakout, and now we are retesting this breakout. Well, if my bias is 100% short, I don't see anything confirming my bias. So right now it's just like nothing there. We are chasing a ghost. Okay, so if things, because of my yearly, this is a yearly double neckline. If that was not enough, it's also a double neckline on a monthly. It's also a double neckline on a weekly. We also have this neckline, this test. So I'm not against an intra-week opportunity, okay? Or maybe, just maybe, because of the shape of this weekly move, price might be just doing something like that. So you might be watching this on your intra-week opportunity for something that you recognize, something that we have been trading for the past 40 years. Advanced market flow, swing break rotation, or a set and forget. Price, when price makes support become resistance, all the goody stuff that I introduced in November 2017. So here's one of the exceptions because of everything I just told you. Well, watch the intra-week opportunity. Even if it's an intra-week, usually you have like 1 or 2 days to enter that trade. So there is like no stress involved. Even if you have a day job, lots of obligations, you have time to check your charts like once a day. What could be happening? We obviously have like an ugly spinning top. So what I'm seeing in here is a yearly double neckline, a weekly double neckline, a yearly double neckline, monthly double neckline, weekly double necklines, and my bias is 100% bearish. When things are in alignment with my underlying trend and bias and everything, then you could make an exception in your rules by only trading monthly, weekly ACATs to actually intra-week trading. When things are in alignment with everything, like the yearly, the monthly, the weekly, everything is like setting up, and you have a potential spinning top that is not perfect, like school example spinning top. What I do is that I measure that the wicks on both sides, and the equal the numbers are, the stronger the spinning top is. This was 55.63, so it makes it a bit iffy. It doesn't matter. What I'm looking is price. That's number one. Reading. What is price telling me? Well, price is telling me this. Price is coming down, making a higher low. We made a higher high, not good. We have some ugly swings back and forth in here. No worries. We make another higher low, another. We did not breach this one, so this is more like, just wait and see. Another higher low, and then boom, we just took out everything in here. So now we are retesting this level. So basically what price is telling me, that price is doing this. If I didn't know where price were at a higher time frame, this could still be happening. But what I'm looking in here, I'm marking these swings. I'm watching these stuff. Okay, so what I do want to see is my bias is 100% short. So now when price is doing this, well, there are several options. Are we coming down, breaching this low? Okay, then we go up. We could be going up in here and then do this. Okay, or what I'm watching is actually price is coming down like this. Okay, and then goes up, makes another, or not another, but makes a lower high from here, and then the damage starts. Okay, we we do some structure damage. Okay, this level in here is a very strong level because when we left this area, we made a higher close. So if we could take out this low in here, that will put me in a shorting position, or at least looking for a shorting position. There you go. So you heard me talk about this trade in two different PMAs. Okay, if that was not enough, I also actually alerted my my connections on LinkedIn. This was 2 weeks ago. I went through the steps in great detail, and if you're not, sending a friend request on LinkedIn, make sure that you do so. Where I talked about this trade in advance, I showed what I was looking for, what's happening in real time. This was the pullback I was waiting for further downside. And let me just talk you through this trade in great detail. We obviously know the reason behind this trade, so what I will be focusing on is what happened, and this is when it comes to visualizing what price might be doing, having a confirmed, convinced bias, and then now you are just waiting for price to prove you right. Okay, in this specific case, price was somewhere in here when I was recorded, and I talked about structure damage. Well, what happened? This was exactly what I was visualizing, that price will be doing some structure damage. When that happens, well, a pullback into this area was the pending order. So you might get filled in here, and if you miss this entry, well, the thing is with long-term trading, this was like several days, like every single candle is 4-hour chart. Okay, this is like a 4-hour, it is a 4-hour every single one of these candles, so you have like ages to get filled with a high stop loss. If you missed all of these, well, what happened in here? You have another structure damage. Okay, and price give you several chances to enter, and this was also, if the spinning top was not enough, the structure damage was not enough, you have a set and forget. Okay, with this entry with a high stop loss either in here or at the initial stop loss, and the rest is history. Okay, so this is the beauty of knowing how to read price like a professional trader, and reading the language of the market. Okay, without any indicators, clutters on your chart. I have like one line on my charts, one single, that's all I have. I'm trading naked charts, and for this trade needed, let's see here, with this was the entry. The entry was actually up in here. Okay, so the stop loss is just give me 1 sec, I will redo this again. Someone in here, this is around, geez, what happened in here? Just give me 1 sec. Sorry guys. Sorry about that, my internet wasn't working properly. That was the reason behind it. So the entry was like around this level in here. Okay, and this was the stop loss. So let's just say 70 plus, from running the stop loss by around like 25 pips. For the sake of simplicity, let's just say 100 pips. Okay, 95-ish pips. And where's the profit target? Well, there were several levels that you could be taking profit from. This monthly neckline. Okay, there's also another monthly neckline, depending if you went for the deeper level. In this specific case, we took this level in here. There was TP1, and this was like the TP2. Some people might be taking this as a TP1 and watching this dropping for even more. So this is a logic level. It's a monthly neckline. If you look left, this is also a smashing weekly level. Price hit that level, and this was for the entry was up in here down to this level, over 300 pips. So that's definitely over 3 to 1. Okay, so what are the benefits with long-term trading? Well, I could be talking about the benefits all day long, but what are the huge benefits? Well, once you understand the concept of trading, it will take you less than 1 hour going through all the 27 pairs. Okay, less than 1 hour, and that's including putting the trades on your in your live account. Okay, And you just need to check on your charts once a day. It could be at any time that is convenient to you. Once a day, that's it. Okay, no micromanaging needed. Okay, the trade this long, even if you are using hands-on trade management, usually you have like half day to do that. Like, it's completely enough. Even if it's hands-on, once a day is more than enough. Okay, and the thing is that your money is working for you while you are sleeping or working or enjoying your life. You don't need to be at your office, at your computer, watching your cell phone every 5 minutes or anything. The money is working for you while you are doing anything else outside of the office, enjoying your life. Okay, and just feeling the freedom of having the rest of the day off, just working 1 hour at the office, and then that's it. That's all you do, and there's no stress. That's another thing, that is, it's a stress-free environment. Okay, you have plenty of times, usually days, like watching these. Even if you have an intra-week opportunity, might take you like a day or two before it unfold. And if it's a weekly move, or if it's a daily as your entry time, that means you have like several days, sometimes weeks, to plan a trade. So there's like zero stress involved. Well, those are like the main benefits. There are like plenty of any more benefits into long-term trading. It's just like going to long-term trading was the best trading decision I ever made in my trading for the past 15 years, and I'm very happy with it. The results have been amazing, and the PMAs are speaking for itself. Everything is pointed out in advance, and I'm not hiding any losing trades or so. I don't even remember when we had a full loss last time. So losing is a part of trading. So I'm not trying to give you any wrong impressions or anything. I'm known for my honesty. So losing is a part of the game, and you need to deal with it. No problems. The thing is that I'm showing you this trade, and we have lots of pending orders in the market right now, and let's see how things goes. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you so do, encourage me to record more of these for you by hitting the like button, and I will speak to you soon. Have a great week. Cheers.